Boosting your bank account by up to $750 every single day may sound too good to be true. So in this video, I'll walk you through 4 lucrative side hustles or part-time ideas that could rake in $750 daily. These opportunities range from online ventures to local gigs, regardless of your choice. I'll provide you with a detailed strategy and a tailored plan to reach your daily earning goal. So whether you're looking to pay your savings, pay off debt, save for retirement, or fund your dreams, these side hustles could be your ticket to financial independence. Let's dive in. So first up, we have becoming an air tasker, focusing on moving or offering moving services. You can sign up on platforms like Airtasker and bid on moving jobs in your area. Make sure to highlight your availability and any special equipment you have. You have access to creating a comprehensive profile. Showcasing your skills is key to winning bids consistently. Next, consider becoming a field inspector with JMI report. After familiarizing yourself with inspection requirements, complete any necessary training provided by JMI. Efficient scheduling and focusing on high demand areas can help you complete multiple inspections per day, maximizing your earning potential. So another option is selling educational notes on Nexus Notes. Simply register as a contributor and upload well-organized comprehensive study guides or lectures. Notes pricing competitively and focusing on high demand subjects can boost your sales, helping you reach up to $750 goal. Consider selling digital products on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. If you have expertise in particular niche, utilize social media and SEO strategies to enhance product visibility and attract customers. Selling 15 products priced at $50 each could help you achieve your daily earning target. Finally, if you have photography skills, become a real estate photographer or proxy pics. Specialize in high value sectors like luxury homes or commercial properties and build a compelling portfolio to attract premium clients, charging $250 per session. You can reach $750 by completing 3 sessions a day. Remember, success in these endeavors requires dedication and respect for the work. Treat your side hustle as seriously as your main source of income, and you will see the results you desire. So whether it's moving services, field inspection, educational notes, digital products, or real estate photography, there's always an opportunity for you to earn $750 daily. Good luck, and I think that you will also like this video, so do check them out.